In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Open up WhatsApp. Notice that there is no feature to copy the link to our WhatsApp profile or to have a conversation with us. However, we can generate this link manually. Let's say I would like to share a link to my WhatsApp with my friend. I can then just open up a conversation with my friend in any other messenger or social media platform. Now, in order to generate a link, we need to enter WA.me, then /, and then all we have to do is just enter our phone number with our country code. Tap send. If any user taps on that link, they will be redirected to a conversation with us. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.